Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a beautiful 2014 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic that I want to show you. This bike comes in blackened cayenne, and that's just a gorgeous color. Got lots of metallic in it. Kind of just a deep, I'm afraid to say burgundy, but it's got a lot of red flake in it. So it gives it a kind of a burgundy look. It's just real dark. This is a low mileage bike, got real good miles on it. Tire on the front. 2014, they put the vent through the fairing, which makes it real nice. Looks like a little something right here. I think that's a little scratch right there on the front of the fairing. Got the Daymaker headlights in it, headlight and spots. .103 high output motor with a 6-speed. Got a cool tank badge on it. Nice maroon and gold trim stripe. 2014, they also put the single-handed bag lid latches, so it makes it easy to get in and out of the bags. Tour pack looks good. Looks like we got a little tool kit in there. Nothing in here, I don't think. Got the factory exhaust on it. Good tire on the rear. Let me see a little tiny scratch. A little bitty tiny scratch right in there. I don't know if you can even see it. Beautiful bike. Full instrumentation, got the large touch screen, AM, FM, and no longer put CD players in it. There's a place here to plug up your MP3 player or iPhone or iPod. Electronic cruise control, full onboard electronics. Anti-lock brakes. This bike's got 1,552 miles on it. Right off. We run them through our shop and check them out, even though it is almost like new. Still give it a good once over, make sure everything's in good shape. If you'd like to know more about this bike, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing, extended warranties. You take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.